we have taken up exercise 4.3 and sum number 7. Let's read out the sum first. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Find the two numbers. See, let's take the smaller number to be x, and if the smaller number is x, then we are given that the square of the smaller number, is 8 times the larger number. That means larger number is x square upon 2. Now, the difference of the squares of two numbers is 180. According to the question's condition, the difference of their squares, square of this as well as square of this, square of this minus square of this, the difference is 180. This, if we have understood, then we will find the going very easy. If we are unable to frame up the equation, then of course the going is tough. So what we do is, let's multiply. See, we have x square, then square. So what we can write is, we can write x raised to the power 4 upon 64 minus x square minus 180 is equal to 0. This should give us let's multiply with 64. We get x raised to the power 4 minus 64x square minus, let's multiply this with this. We get 0, 18 4 ja 72, 18 6 ja 108, 108 and 7, 115 is equal to 0. Then of course this will give us, see, the equation we get is biquadratic. It is not quadratic. So we will have to reduce it to quadratic first. To reduce it to quadratic, let's take x square to be a or y or k. Let's take x square is equal to y. That means this becomes y square. We have taken x square to be y. So this becomes the square of x square. That means the square of y minus 64y minus 11,520 is equal to 0. Here what we can do is, now we have to solve it either by the factorization or by the quadratic formula. We know what A here is. Here A is 1, B is minus 64 and C is minus 11520. We are solving it by quadratic formula this time. We will have to find out b square minus 4ac. Discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So this should be square of 64 minus 4 into 1 into minus 11,520. So this will give you, let's find out the square of 64. 64 multiplied by 64 will give you 4 4 ja 16, 4 6 ja 24, 25, 6 4 ja 24, 6 6 ja 36 and 2. 24, 36 and 2, 38. This should give you 6904. 4096 minus, multiply this with this. See, both the negative signs when multiplied they become positive. 0 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20, 2 44, 46. So let's check it. 0 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20 and 11 4 ja 44 and 2 46. Okay, let's add them. On adding you find that 6 and 0 you get 6, 8 and 9 you get 17, 0 0 you get 1, then 6 plus 4 10, 5. Okay, this is the value of b square minus 4ac. Now we can find out, we know what the quadratic formula is. The quadratic formula is, we have to find the value of y. It is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and this should give you minus 64 plus minus, the value is 50,176 upon 2a, and this should give you 64 plus minus, let's find out the square root of this, 176. This is 1 pair, 2 pair and this, so this should give you 2 2 ja 4. How much do you get? Okay, now 4 and 2 2, so this will give you 84, you get 7. How much do you get here? You get 1. And here you get 76. This gives you 44. Now 4. How many times? 4 times. 4. So this should give you 6, 7, 7. So your LCM is, your square root is 2, 2, 4 upon 2 into A. A is how much? A is 1. So 64 plus 224 upon 2, and the second one will be 64 minus 224 upon 2. This should give you 4 plus 4, 8, 2, 8 and 2 upon 2. Here you get this subtracted from this. 4 from 4 will give you 0, and 6 from 12 will give you 6. 1 upon 2. So this gives you 144, and this gives you minus 80. As we know that why we have taken x square, that means the square has to be positive. The value of square will not be negative. So we cannot take this value. Okay? Therefore, the value of y is only this. So y we cannot take a square to be negative. Therefore, y is equal to 144. But what is y? Y is x square. We have taken here. We have taken here y to be x square. So, this means x square is 144. That means x is equal to 12, the square root of 144. So we have found out the value of x. X we have taken as the smaller number. That means the smaller number is plus minus 12. Now from this we can find out the other number. Therefore, the smaller number is equal to plus minus 12, and the larger number is x square upon 8. X square upon 8 means the square of this is 144 upon 8. This should give you 8 1 ja 8, 8 8 ja 64, 18. So we have found out both the numbers. The numbers can either be 12 and 18, or they can be minus 12 and 18. These can be the two pairs of those numbers. Thanks for joining.